Hello, how to solve for s to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5. In this equation, s plus y is equal to 2. Sy is equal to 3. Solution. Now, s plus y is equal to 2. Let's call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 3. Let's call this equation 2. Then, s to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 is equal to s square plus y square multiplied by s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3. Now, s square plus y square multiplied by s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to s square times s to the power of 3. This is s to the power of 5. Then plus s square multiplied by y to the power of 3. This is s square y to the power of 3. Then plus y square multiplied by s to the power of 3. This is y square s to the power of 3 plus y square multiplied by y to the power of 3. This is y to the power of 5. Then this is equal to, here we have s to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus, here we have s square y to the power of 3 plus y square s to the power of 3. Then equal to s to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus, here we have s square, y square is common, bracket s plus y. Then this is equal to s to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus, this can be written as sy all square multiplied by s plus y. Therefore, s square plus y square multiplied by s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to s to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus sy all square bracket s plus y. Then let's call this equation 4. From equation 1, s plus y is equal to 2. Then let's square both sides of this equation. S plus y square is equal to 2 square. Then if you have a plus b all square, this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then this can be written as a square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 2 square, that is 4. Now we have s square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 4. Now we have x square plus y square plus 2 bracket. From equation 2, sy is equal to 3. We have 3 is equal to 4. That is, from here, equation 2, we can see that sy is equal to 3. Then we have x square plus y square plus 2 times 3, that is 6, is equal to 4. Now we have x square plus y square is equal to 4 minus 6. Then x square plus y square is equal to minus 2. Let's call this equation 4. So also, we need to know the value of x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3. From equation 1 again, x plus y is equal to 2. Let's take the exponent of both sides to the power of 3, that is x plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Then if you expand this, we have s to the power of 3 plus 3s square y plus 3y square x plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 3, that is 8. S to the power of 3 plus this y to the power of 3 plus 3s square y plus 3y square s is equal to 8. And this is s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 plus here 3sy is common, bracket s plus y is equal to 8. And we have s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 plus 3 bracket sy from equation 2 is 3 bracket s plus y from equation 1 is 2 is equal to 8. And here we have s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 plus 3 times 3, 9 times 2, that is 18, is equal to 8. Then we have s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 8 minus 18. We have s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to minus 10. This is equation 4. Equation 5. This is equation 5. Then we've gotten the value of s square plus y square, which is equal to minus 2, s to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to minus 10. Then from equation 1, s plus y equal to 2, and from equation 2, sy is equal to 3. So we need to find the value of s to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5, which is unknown. But recall that x square plus y square bracket x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus sy all square bracket x plus y. Then we know that x square plus y square is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2 bracket x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is equal to minus 10. Minus 10 is equal to x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus sy all square, that is 3 all square bracket x plus y is 2. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 10, that is 20, is equal to x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 plus 3 square, that is 9 times 2, 18. Then from here, x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 is equal to 20 minus 18. Then x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 is equal to 2. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other fast method, kindly put it in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye.